If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another video. So I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing the headband wig review. And this hair is by Luvmehair. I'm gonna be showing you two headband wigs by Luvmehair, the Jerry curl and a straight one. And that one's 20 inches and this one's 16 inches. And don't worry, you know I got y'all, that everything is gonna be in the description box below, the link, and also, you know, a coupon code, my coupon code for extra 20% off of the sales that they have, Queen K20, and it's also gonna be in the description box. Y'all know this, y'all know it's gonna be in the description box. Everything's in the description box, my Instagram, you know, the products I use in the video. So don't forget to check out the description box below. But yeah, like I said, this is the Jerry curl 16-inch headband wig. When I first found out about these headband wigs, I'm like, headband wig, I don't know if it'll really work, because honestly my hair is not, because I see that people leave, you know, their edges out, you know, fleek up their adult baby hairs and stuff, and I'm like, I don't know if this is gonna work for me, because like, as y'all know, I colored my hair, so my hair color is not one color, it's two, and this hair is like a, you know, a dark brown. So I was nervous because I'm like, but let me tell y'all something, you don't have to leave your edges out. You could literally do this. You don't have to leave edges out. But I decided to, you know, do some adult baby hairs just to see how it would look. And I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I feel like the headband wig is like perfect for people that work out, that's in the gym every day, because you don't have to worry about sweating your lace and your lace lifting, because it's a headband wig. It's no lace. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Let me take it off. I just wanted to show y'all how the hair looked with a headband. I'm gonna show y'all some more headbands with this wig, so y'all could see, like, you know, different headbands y'all could use. But let me show y'all the inside. And I literally just got a wig cap. I literally just put my hair in two twists, and I have two wig caps on just so that it's a little flat. But this is the inside. So here's the headband. Let me show y'all me. This is the headband. It's just black, and then this is the inside. It has 4 combs. So I feel like also this wig is perfect for people that's just getting into wigs, because you don't have to use no glue. You don't have to worry about ripping out your edges, because, you know, when I was a beginner with wigs, I used to rip out my edges because I was new to this. I'm like, I didn't really know how to remove the lace. I didn't even really know how to apply the lace good. I was just, you know, watching mad YouTube videos and going ham with the glue, going ham with my edges, not caring. So I feel like this is perfect for beginners, because you don't have to worry about none of that. Just like put this bad boy on. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Put it on. Do some baby hair, or if you don't want to do no baby hair, you don't have to do baby hairs. Just put the wig on. One thing I could say is that I just wish it was a little tighter. Like, I feel like it doesn't feel super secure. I don't know, is it because I look like I got a big face, but I got a small head. So I just feel like I need to like put a whole bunch of Barbie pins just to play it safe, because I just feel like it's not secure. Like, I feel like any movement I'll do, it'll like slide off. Like, y'all see that? So I do feel like, don't mind, it's my little Kimora. She's asleep. Y'all hear her snoring. I want to wake her up so y'all can see her, but hopefully she wakes up. If she don't wake up, it's all right. Y'all gonna see her in the next video. But and you can also do half up, half downs. Half up, half downs with this hair. But y'all see I have to keep holding it because like it doesn't feel secure. Like, it keeps slipping. So that's why I definitely would recommend putting some bobby pins, just sticking some bobby pins just so that, you know, it's a little more secure if you have a little head. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of more headbands, and then I'm gonna show y'all how this hair looks when it's wet. Now I'm gonna just wet the hair, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks wet. I'm gonna just wet it off camera real quick because I don't want this video to be super long. Let me just wet it. And this is just a spray bottle, like, full of different conditioners and leave-in conditioners, regular conditioners. And I'm gonna be just using my detangler brush, and I'll be right back. This is how the hair looks wet. So I love it. You could wear it poofy like scissor, or you could wear it wet and curly. And this is 16 inches, and this is how it looks like, you know, if you stretch it. But yeah, so let's move on to the next wig. Oh, the next wig is gonna be straight, and this is 20 inches. I'm excited. I did try this one on, and I loved it. I didn't wear it yet, but I did try it on to see how it looked. I love this one. Woo! Let me show you how it looks. What's the length? I don't know, y'all, but I'm really feeling this headband wig thing. At first, like I said, I was a little skeptical, but I was like, And I feel like it's perfect because, you know, you can let your edges breathe. Because, you know, frontals and closures all the time. Sometimes you just gotta let your edges breathe, let your hair breathe. See, you know, see, it's not, it don't be secure because I got a low head. That's why I said bobby pin it, like bobby pin it, because whew, imagine going somewhere and, you know, you just start brushing your hair or something and it just goes, ooh, oh, yo, that would be embarrassing. So, like, one thing I could say about the headband wigs, if you have a little head like me, bobby pin it, like, just bobby pin, like, all over, so that we have no accidents, because we don't want no accidents in public. But so far, I think this is a great idea. I definitely recommend a headband wig, definitely. And like I said, you don't have to leave edges out. You could literally, like, it still look good. You don't have to leave edges out if you don't want to. You don't have to. But I don't know, I just love this idea. But yeah, so that's the end of the video because I don't want it too long. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to order your headband wig, because honestly, like, I don't think you can go wrong with a headband wig at all. You can, even if you are into lace wigs, even if you're into frontals and closures, I feel like this is still a good idea to just have in your wig collection for like a rainy day. I feel like this is perfect for a rainy day, perfect for a gym day, and it's not expensive, and it's very easy and quick, and no glue, no none of that. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.